This is a 2022 Hyundai Tucson with a Cobra Thatcham-approved. So on your original keys, you'll get 2 of these Cobra touch fobs. So as you can see here, this little flashing red beacon. This is see where the vehicle is immobilized. So if I put my foot obviously on the clutch on this one, because this is a manual car, and I go to start it, you're gonna notice there's no start and nothing up there. I switch it back off, and I simply am going to use my touch key, and I'm going to touch the immobilizer, which is just there. You'll see that the red light has disappeared, and I can now start the vehicle. There we go. So with this as well, if I stop the vehicle, this will automatically rearm itself once I get out of the vehicle after about 2 minutes, or simply you can just touch the immobilizer again with the tag, and there you go, and that's rearmed. I put my foot back on the clutch, go to start car again, nothing. And that's pretty much it. Very self-explanatory, very straightforward, very easy one to do. If you'd like this installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 554 5554.